Ever wondered why it's crucial to keep tabs on your PAN card status? Well, it's akin to keeping an eye on your personal financial identity in India. The PAN card, or Permanent Account Number card, is a vital piece of identification. It's used for income tax purposes and can be the key to unlocking various financial services and interactions. But once applied for, how does one track the status of this critical document? Begin by understanding that there are two main portals for tracking PAN card status: the UTI Infrastructure Technology and Services Limited, UTIITSL, and the National Securities Depository Limited, NSDL. To track the status of a PAN card on the UTIITSL portal, start by visiting the official UTIITSL website. Navigate to the PAN card services section and click on the Track PAN card option. Enter the application coupon number received during the PAN card application process and click on Submit. In a matter of seconds, the status of the PAN card will be displayed. On the other hand, if the PAN card was applied through the NSDL portal, visit the NSDL website and click on the Track Your PAN-TAN Application Status option. Enter the 15-digit acknowledgement number provided during the PAN application process and click on Submit. Voila, the status of the PAN card will appear on the screen. Now, what if the PAN card is linked with an Aadhar card? To check the PAN card status using an Aadhar number, visit either the UTIITSL or NSDL website. Select the Track PAN card status with Aadhar option, enter the Aadhar number, and click on Submit. The PAN card status will be displayed shortly. Tracking the PAN card status using a mobile number is equally straightforward. Visit either the UTIITSL or NSDL website. Select the Track PAN card status with mobile number option, enter the registered mobile number, and click on Submit. The PAN card status will be displayed accordingly. In summary, tracking the status of a PAN card is a straightforward process that can be done through the UTIITSL or NSDL portals. Whether using an application coupon number, an acknowledgement number, a Aadhar number, or a mobile number, the steps remain largely the same. Visit the respective website, select the appropriate tracking option, enter the relevant details, and click on Submit. Remember, staying updated with the status of your PAN card is not just about knowing when it will arrive. It's about being aware of your financial identity and ensuring it is secure. After all, in this digital age, financial security is a priority that should not be taken lightly. So, keep tracking, stay informed, and ensure that your financial identity is always in your control.